My name is Idris Demir and today we have another unboxing video. In front of us, we have the 16-inch M4 Max MacBook Pro. Lifting this box, I can already feel the weight of it. At the front, we can see the product photo, but it's not embossed compared like another box, say the iPhone box. On the top, we can see the MacBook Pro text. On the right side is the Apple logo, same as on the left side. And at the bottom is another text, MacBook Pro. Now flipping this box, at the bottom we can see some certifications here on the corner as well as the product information. This whole text here, you can feel it and it's a little bit embossed. You can see the storage size, memory size, and the M4 Max chip. There's two huge pull tabs at the top and at the bottom, so let's proceed to remove it. One down. And then another one. I think it's my first time unboxing a laptop, so I'm very careful with this one, especially the weight of this. Now let's remove the top cover. If you heard that sound, that's the real sound that the box made when I'm doing this. And here we can see the MacBook Pro protected in a cover sheet. Here's also a pull tab. Lifting the MacBook Pro, again the weight of this one, I think it's around 2 kilograms. Let's put it on the side and proceed with the rest of the box. At the corners, you can see the 4 inserts for the feet of the MacBook. And here's the black braided cable, which is USB-C. And then the other one is MagSafe. Really nice quality of the braided cable here. Let's put it on the left side and make it as a prop. Here's the paperwork, and it reveals the power connector and the power brick. So here's the power connector. It's a 3-pin because in this country. And here's the power brick. So there's the slot to slide the power connector, and at the back is the USB-C port. So I'm gonna remove the protective baking paper like material. Let's remove the same cover sheet on the power brick. I'm having a little bit of a hard time trying to pull it properly. Yeah, there's the flap now, so there we go, we can remove it. And I guess I can just slide the baking paper to get the power brick. and you can see there's an Apple logo on the power brick, two on each side. And let's try to combine this together, so we will have an idea how it will look like. And if you need to remove it, you need a little bit of force. Let's put it on the side for now and proceed with the paperwork. So pulling the paperwork, there's two versions, and I notice here that there's like a placeholder or like another material here. I believe it's more paperwork for the EU version. So here's the quick start guide. Welcome to your MacBook Pro. We can see the ports, the parts, and the placement of the common items. That's about it, and there's no sticker. From here you can see the shape. This resembles the notch on the display. And that's pretty much we have in the box. We cannot remove this part here, so let's return everything back. So the power brick, connector or the pin, and the paperwork. We'll keep the braided cable as a prop. Now let's proceed with the MacBook. Again, the weight is really getting me a little bit of trouble while unboxing. And let's remove the protective sheet. You can also notice there's a hole for the feet of the MacBook. And at the bottom there's a MacBook Pro text, and you can definitely feel this texture, and it's laser etched, I believe. Now that we remove the packing paper, here's our first real look on the MacBook Pro. And as usual, the logo is shiny. And from the right side of the MacBook Pro, we can see the HDMI port, one USB-C port, and the SD card slot. Flipping on the left side is the MagSafe pins, two USB-C port, and a headphone jack. And at the bottom, I noticed the opening here, and I believe this is for the speakers. So let's try opening the front lid. I'm not sure if you notice in the paperwork, it says that the MacBook Pro will automatically boot up. Let's remove the protective cover on the screen. From here we can see the classical Apple greeting, which is hello in many different languages. And then from here, we can have a closer look of the speakers, the keyboard layout, the Touch ID on the top right corner, and the huge trackpad. There's also the vents at the middle. And then from here, we can see the notch. I mean, it's not the same shape, but it kind of resembles the one on the paperwork. When I press the space key, we are greeted with the first setup screen, which is choosing the language. And just for information, this laptop doesn't belong to me. This belongs to the company I'm working with.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
And yeah, it will dictate what it's trying to do. So thank you to my team. I just had the chance to unbox it and share it with you guys. And that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you are enjoying the content that we have, and I'll see you on the next one.